Hi everyone, congratulate me please. Bruce is All Research Channel, 5 years, 5th anniversary, August, 6th year of research starting using a 14-inch telescope. These UFO fleets that I'm capturing on the moon and the lights on the moon is what they're hiding. And there's also a jealousy from the other UFO channels and the people that are studying the moon, which have obviously never shown this before. They are unclassified. Already the Pentagon themselves are having a hard time classifying the UFOs because they say that they have such different characteristics. Yes, of course, a lot of you are saying they're full of shit, they're bullshitting. Yeah, I get it. I agree with you all. But they're still using some of that truth because they are hard to characterize if I'm getting a whole bunch of different lights. And that is the start of why I am being attacked. But here's the very, very sad thing. A lot of you are telling me, Bruce, just keep it up. Well, I'm keeping it up, but there will be no revenue at one point. So you are very generous. I saw contributions today and everything. I mean, awesome. I highly doubt that you guys are going to make me live for the rest of your lives by donating since I'm getting eaten views. So it's a big problem with these hackers. But of course, this research is very important research. And when I say they're rolling back views, I mean they're rolling back views. My views don't go up. If you go look at my Social Blade right now, they say that I got 1,000 views today. And you know that the last live stream I just did a couple of minutes ago, because yes, I'm already doing this video after having live stream tonight after 8 o'clock, around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, 1,850 views on the live stream. I thank you very much. And go look on Social Blade. Today in 24 hours, I got 1,000 views. I'm continually trying to be polite to YouTube team by sending them messages, and I send them 2 to 3 messages a day. So that's 30 messages that they got, at least 24 messages that they got in the past 8 days, and there are no replies from them. I don't know if you know it, the views never go up. They'll go up 1 to 3, and you'll see it here. Watch for the fun of it. 280, 282. We're already up 3 there. It's going up. 283, 286. Whoop, 28. So we backed up 6. 282, 284. So the views are coming in. 285, 287. The views are coming in. It's going up. Whoop, 282. So we just lost about 10, 15 views right there. And that's in a period of 3 minutes, right? So at the end of the day, if the video, and this is real time calculating every 60 minutes, they're registering me 100 views every hour as compared to the 1,000 I should be getting, because I am getting 1,000 views an hour. I see the views come up on the real counter, and I've done the math. I can see the views going up, and they're very, very high. This video is going to finish, and when it finishes, it's going to finish into the hundreds. They're going to roll me down over 100. And you'll see that the views are continually pushing upwards. And there, look, they just dropped me. That's a slap down to 73. Whoop, wow, jumped up to 77. So the views are coming in. So they dropped me down 7 more. So we just lost 15 right there with the other 15. That's 30. This whole video, I lose about 100 to 200 views. And it rolls down incredibly. There we go again. 274 to 269. And it says regular viewers are choosing to watch this video less. They put me in recommendations, y'all, okay, when I get a lot of views. If the views aren't registering, they're going to mark that the views are going down. I'm going to get less ads, less rate per ads, and it's really going to kill me. It's literally what it's doing. YouTube not replying to me, it's like in a bad dream when you think of it. And that is really not cool because I'm working my ass off and I've been doing this full time. Imagine, for peanuts. And I'm not going to hide it. But now that the revenue, I was cut off. I had making hundreds, a couple hundreds of dollars a month on the French channel. I was cut off $250. So I will probably have made this month about $198. I showed it, literally showed the analytics, the revenue from last month. I hope it's at least double here. So $500-600 a month it's ridiculous. I'm not stealing views from anyone. I'm doing my own work. the interest in the videos should be skyrocketed. I'm using a 14-inch telescope, and I caught a double lunar wave, which Crow 777 was the hype. I heard it for 6 years here. Have you seen Crow 777's lunar wave? But when Bruce gets it, nobody cares. It's already been done. Look at the views jumping down. 253, 254. So the views are going up. 250, going back down again. 51, 53. So it is trying to jump up. People are trying to help me to get the views up. 54, 55, 49. It'll never get up. And it'll back up faster than it's going up. So at one point, I'm looking at my revenue yesterday. The day before yesterday, I started looking at the revenue. The amount that said 144 this month is going down 138, 111. They're actually marking down all my revenue. They're backing up like they're going back into space, right? And again, YouTube not replying. So I'll let you watch the rest of the video while it rolls down. And again, these video are for support. If you view this video, it'll help with the views until, the ideal was until YouTube replies to me and the hackers stop hacking me. But it's not looking too good. Guess what, jealous hackers and faulted astronomers and researchers that have never made it big in life? You'll never be able to reproduce what I produce. I'm sorry. The connection that I have with entities, this isn't just something I shot together, right? This is a part of my life that I'm trying to share. Exceptional things happen to me, and also happen to me here at the house, like entities and ghosts, and I'm going to film it. I'm going to film more, and I'll get more and more attention. You will never be able to do that. You'll be able to hack me all your life, but you'll never be able to reproduce authentically what I produced, because I have that spiritual connection. And energy works like a slingshot. When you shoot energy at someone, it's like an elliptical orbit. You shoot something, goes around the sun, it comes right back and slaps you right in the ass. Right in the ass. That's exactly what happens. Anyone who uses their energies for ill intentions will never overcome a positivity or a positive energy. And the community and what we've created is an extremely high positive frequency and energy, and that's always going to remain. So I'm telling you, the hackers, I don't know if you've been watching, but I'm getting more attention and I'm getting more support and contributions with the attack. So the more that you attack me, the faster I'm going to get to my goal.